Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most mind-bending topics in the entire animal kingdom, visible animals. Yes, you heard that right. We're about to embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of creatures that are masters of camouflage, not by changing colors, but by being almost completely see-through. In this video, we'll take a closer look at these transparent wonders that can literally disappear into their surroundings. From see-through fish that look like they're remade of glass to ethereal sea creatures that glide unseen through the water. Nature is absolutely brimming with hidden marvels. We'll explore how these incredible animals use their transparency to survive, thrive, and what makes them so uniquely fascinating. It's a world where being invisible is the ultimate superpower. So, make sure you're comfortable, stay tuned, and let's get started on this transparent adventure. First up on our list of natural wonders are transparent fish, often collectively known as glassfish. Have you ever seen a fish that looks like it's made of crystal? It's not something out of a fantasy movie. These creatures are real. Species like the Indian glassy fish have bodies that are almost entirely transparent, giving them a stunning glass-like appearance. When you look at them, you can see right through their flesh and muscle, and their internal organs, like their tiny heart and digestive tract, are clearly visible. It's like having a living, swimming biology lesson right in front of your eyes. But this isn't just for show. This incredible transparency is a sophisticated survival mechanism. In their natural habitats, often murky or well-lit waters, this see-through quality helps them blend in seamlessly with their surroundings. Imagine being a predator trying to hunt for a meal. Spotting a fish that has no color and barely reflects any light is incredibly difficult. It allows them to virtually vanish, whether they're hiding among aquatic plants or swimming in open water. This makes them a nightmare for predators and gives them a huge advantage in the constant struggle for survival. It's a perfect example of how evolution can produce some of the most elegant and effective solutions to life's challenges. Now, let's talk about one of the most intelligent and mysterious creatures in the ocean, the octopus. We already know them for their remarkable problem-solving skills, their ability to change color and texture in the blink of an eye, and their almost alien-like biology. But did you know that some octopuses can take their camouflage to a whole new level by becoming almost invisible? I'm talking about the glass octopus, or Vitreladonella richardii. This ghostly creature lives in the deep, dark parts of the ocean, in the twilight and midnight zones where sunlight barely reaches. Unlike its more colorful cousins that live in coral reefs, the glass octopus has an almost completely transparent, gelatinous body. Its optic nerves, eyeballs, and digestive tract are the only parts that are opaque. By being see-through, it becomes incredibly difficult to spot in the dim, ambient light of the deep sea. Predators swimming below would look up and see right through it, making it blend in with the faint light filtering from above. This is one of the most impressive and extreme forms of camouflage in the entire animal kingdom, a survival tactic that allows it to navigate its dangerous, dark world, almost like a ghost. It's a testament to the sheer diversity and adaptability of these amazing cephalopods. Of course, we can't talk about transparent animals without mentioning the most iconic see-through creatures of all. When you think of a transparent animal, a jellyfish is probably the first thing that comes to mind, and for good reason. Their bodies are composed of over 95% water, giving them that classic gelatinous, translucent appearance. Some species, like the moon jellyfish, have a beautiful, ethereal glow, but many others are so clear that they seem to dissolve into the water. In the open ocean, this makes them nearly invisible to the naked eye. You could be swimming right next to one and not even know it's there. This transparency serves a dual purpose. Firstly, it's a fantastic defense mechanism. Predators like sea turtles and certain fish have a much harder time spotting a clear, floating blob. It allows them to drift peacefully with the ocean currents, largely undetected. Secondly, it also makes them more effective hunters. Small fish and plankton, their primary food sources, might not notice the nearly invisible tentacles drifting towards them until it's too late. From the tiny thimble-sized irukandji jellyfish to the massive lion's mane. Transparency is a key to their success and survival in every ocean on Earth. They are the original masters of being unseen. But transparency isn't just a strategy for animals living in the water. Let's bring it onto land and into the air, because even in the insect world, this incredible adaptation exists. You might be surprised to learn that many insects, particularly during their vulnerable larval or pupal stages, have transparent bodies. A great example is the glasswing butterfly found in Central and South America. Its wings are almost completely clear, looking like panes of glass. This isn't because they lack pigment, it's because the surface of their wings has a unique nanostructure that doesn't reflect light, allowing it to pass right through. When this butterfly is flitting through the dappled sunlight of the rainforest, its transparent wings make it incredibly difficult for birds and other predators to track. Another example can be found in certain caterpillars. Some species have see-through skin, revealing their internal organs. This transparency helps them blend in with the leaves they're munching on, making them harder for predators to spot. It's an effective way to stay hidden in plain sight, proving that whether you're in the deep sea or a dense jungle, being invisible can be a lifesaver. Finally, let us venture into a world you probably never expected to find transparent creatures, the world of snails. It sounds incredible, but nature has indeed produced transparent snails. Deep within the cave systems of Croatia, scientists discovered a species of snail with a beautiful, fragile, and almost completely clear shell. Living in total darkness, these snails have no need for pigmentation to protect them from the sun, and over generations, they evolved this ghostly appearance. Their see-through shells and pale bodies make them masters of their dark, subterranean environment. But it's not just in caves. Some species of land snails in rainforests also exhibit degrees of transparency. They might have clear shells or translucent bodies that help them hide on wet leaves or among fungi. For a slow-moving creature like a snail, being hard to see is a critical defense. Predators, like birds, rodents, and insects, would have a much tougher time spotting a clear snail against a complex background. It's yet another astonishing example of how evolution finds creative solutions for survival in every corner of the planet, even for the slowest and most humble of creatures. The existence of these see-through snails just goes to show that nature's capacity to surprise us is truly endless. And there you have it, just a handful of the amazing, nearly invisible creatures that share our planet. From the glassy depths of the ocean to the hidden floors of the rainforest, transparency is a powerful tool for survival. It's incredible to think that there are still countless other hidden and see-through animals out there that we have yet to discover. Nature is a book filled with endless chapters of wonder, and we've only just skimmed the surface. What we've seen today proves that the world is so much more mysterious and magical than we can even imagine. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of invisible animals, please show your support by hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and ringing the notification bell so you never miss an update on our future explorations. Your support is what allows us to continue bringing more fascinating content like this to you. And now, we want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments below, what other invisible or transparent animals do you know of, or what do you think might be out there waiting to be discovered? We would absolutely love to read your thoughts and ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.